What's up, everybody? So today, got something pretty cool planned. I'm taking a trip out to my mom's house to try out my new drone. So recently, I got a DJI Phantom 3. This is the 4K version. Super cool. I haven't gotten a chance to try it out yet, so finally have a day off that have some free time. I can go break it out. So we're gonna take a trip out there. You know, she has a bunch of property out there, so we can go ahead and try it out and get some pretty cool footage. I'm super stoked. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Got a couple other new, got another GoPro, a couple other new fun toys I'm looking to try out. So it's kind of giving me a reason to do it. So let's get out of here. Alrighty, so we are ready to go. We're all packed up. The back seat is packed, but it's alright. We're ready to rock and roll. Alright, we made it. I don't think there's anybody here. I need to watch a quick video on how to get the drone set up properly. Especially like the little propellers, because I know some of them have to go a certain way, the other ones have to go a different way. I don't know. I want to do it right. So, finally got all the propellers on, so we're good to go. Fairly easy. I do know I have to calibrate the GPS on this. I'm not exactly sure how quite yet, but I'm going to power everything on, and I know that on the app it shows you how to do that, so go ahead and try that real quick. Alright, so there's the camera for it. Looks like we need to calibrate.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And we are good to go. So you can see the camera's going. Calibration process was super easy. Alright. Try and keep some of the phone in focus here in frame at least. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it. Alright, and here we go. Slide for takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Take off.
Alright, so this is going to be moving right, moving left. Super cool. Moving forward as well. This is going to be left. This is going to bring you up. There we go. Now I do have it in beginner mode right now.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Alright, so first flight was awesome. It's so cool. Even with a little bit of wind, like, the gimbal just kept it so steady. It was amazing. You can hardly even tell. I know earlier I mentioned that I was going to watch the video so I could figure out how to set it up. It's all super easy. I didn't realize it. It actually shows, you can see it, like a little engraving of what way is lock and what way is unlock right on there, which is really convenient. And again, they're color coded, so you don't have to even think about it really. We're going to charge it for a little bit and hopefully we can get a really cool sunset. This is the first time using the new GoPro Session as well. It's the first time I've gotten a chance to break it out, so really pretty cool stuff today, but can't wait to put it all together and see what it looks like. Next will be some awesome sunset B-roll. Here we go.